Welcome to another edition of Google Tools, Google Drive Part 2. Today we're going to be learning a little bit more about what you can do inside Google Drive and how to share things with colleagues, partners, team members, whoever you need to share it with. Okay, so again, we're going to go to our Google Drive. How do you get to your Google Drive? Right here, then right here. And then Google Drive gives us the opportunity to create lots of really cool tools. And we're going to learn about a few of those today. So first, we're going to go into back to our DBA folder. Again, mine's called Student Example because this is for you, not really for me. And then we're going to go into our Google. We can go ahead and move our Google assignment folder over into our Google Intro assignment. That's just fine. Inside this folder, we're going to create a few new things. Let's go ahead and do a new folder. And then we're going to do it called Google Assignment Part 2. Then we're going to go inside that folder. We're going to create a few new things we haven't done before. So we're going to right up here to New. Then we're going to do a Google Doc. A Google Doc is a word processing app that allows you to type, edit, put in pictures, kind of do a document, an essay, a research paper, whatever typing needs that you have. Okay, and that's all we're going to do for right now. We'll go back to Google, and we'll go to New again. Computer's being kind of slow. If your computer's ever running slow, do what I'm doing and close out of some tabs. It usually helps it run a little bit faster. Okay, back inside your Google Drive, you're just going to click on New again. And then we're going down to Google Sheets. And create one of those. They're still loading. They usually don't take this long. It might be because I'm recording my screen. Then we'll do it one more time, New. And then this time I'm going to do a Google Slides. There's also lots of other tools. We won't really get into these today, but we'll see them in other videos throughout the course. But here are the most common ones that most people use. Then we'll do Google Slides for the last one. Okay, sorry about that little blip. Just getting going again. Now we've got all three of our Google Slides, our Google Spreadsheets, and our Google Docs. Google Docs, as I explained earlier, is for word processing. Spreadsheet is for data analysis, data record keeping. You can keep all sorts of you do all sorts of calculations inside Google Sheets. We'll talk more about this in another video. You can do simple calculations really quickly. Google Slides is used for presentations. If you're doing a presentation on the history of our country or Germany or whatever topic you're wanting to present, gives it a really nice, easy way for you to present information to your audience. So what we're doing today is we're going to be sharing these three things. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to click on Share. The first thing you want to do is a name is just call it Doc. That's just fine. And then you want to go up here to Get Shareable Link. What Get Shareable Link does is that's what's called a URL that allows whoever has that link to view your document. So you want to have this one set to view. Then we'll copy this link, and what we're going to do is we're just going to paste it right inside our Google Doc. And then hit spacebar. And then when you turn this into me, I'll be able to click on that and be able to view your Google Doc. Then right here below, at the top actually, let's have you type your name and your favorite food. One of my favorites, not my absolute favorite. Okay, then we're going to go over to our Google spreadsheet, and then just type in your favorite number and one of your goals in life. Okay. With this one, we're going to, again, go back up to share. And then you have to name it. Just call it spread sheets. And get shareable link. This time, we want to change it from can view to comment. Okay. These different settings allows whoever has the link to do different things. So on this one, I can only, when you share this with me, or you share it with anybody, they can only view it. They can only look at it. On commenting, they'll be able to copy the link again. They can right click and then you can insert a comment. Hi, students. Okay, it's just like a little, and it's not visible until you click on that, and they can reply, yada, yada, yada. Okay, so again, we're going to go share, make sure it's on can comment, copy link, and go back to your document, and we're going to paste it right there. Then hit spacebar, then it's a live link. So if anybody clicks on this, then they should be able to get to your spreadsheet. Last but not least, we're going to go to our Google slideshow. Click on the share button again. Just call it slides. Get shareable link again. And then this time we're going to do can edit. So for this one, if you're working on a team, and we'll do that in this class a few times, you'll want to, you can do can edit if you want your team to be able to edit it as well as you, so they can work on their slides and you can work on your slides, type of thing. So go ahead and also it says at Iron County School District. So sometimes you want to change it. So if someone outside of school you want to share it with them, then you go down to more and then anyone with the link. So anybody, your parents, family members, anybody outside of school that you want to share it, then it says anyone with the link can view. But again, we want it with can edit. And copy link. Go back to your doc and then paste it there. And hit spacebar. Okay, so that's the sharing portion of this assignment. This Google Doc is what you'll be turning into Canvas here in a second. The last thing we want to do is go back to our Google Drive and again use our snipping tool. Type in snip, click right there, and then hit new, and then just take a screenshot, click and drag of what you did, and then you can right click, copy, and then go down on your document and hit paste. That way I can see your finished Google Drive part of it too. Okay. Sorry for the blip. Okay, now we're just ready to turn it in. So we're going to go right up here to share for the last time. Now we're going to share this whole document one last time. Again, we want to have it set to can view so nobody can go in here and delete our stuff. Copy. And then we're going to go to Canvas, to modules, and then over to Google Drive Part 2. We'll click on that. And then we'll click right here on Submit. And then we'll go, so there's different ways to turn in things. You can do it this way if you wanted to. I can't really show you how to do it, so it's kind of hard to demonstrate. But that links to your Google Drive, then you can submit a Google document or Google Slides right from Canvas to Google Drive. The way we're going to turn in today is we're going to go right here to, and we're going to right click and paste that Google Docs link. And then we'll hit submit. And then you're done with Google Drive Part 2. Good work and have a fantastic day.